So yeah, this is new. In a while, we made some changes around here from last month. Starting off with the wheels, guys. I powder coated these TEs, black chrome. You can see the reflection kind of dirty because it was raining, but yeah, they're black chrome, man, and changed the look of the car drastically. As you could tell, my lip isn't there anymore. So I kind of had an accident the other day, and a rock came flying, smashed under my bumper, and just tore this thing apart. As you can see, it's cooked. That side cooked as well. So you might be asking yourself, do you have anything to replace that with? Yes I do. From the looks of it, we need a bumper. Wheels are done. It's like we're incorporating like the black more into the car. So I might have to get some like side skirts for the side skirt, you know, like a little black piece that goes along. Wrap the roof, not the hood. Wrap the roof. Yeah, let me get my car unlocked and let's unbolt this bumper. Luckily the bumper isn't that hard to undo on the, that for us, but I think I'm going to do the fender liner. That's cooked too. As you can see, the under, gonna show you under it, it's gone basically. Yeah, like it's cooked. So I'm gonna have to fix that, get that one done. I have both sides. I don't know why I purchased both sides from the dealer. If I notice that the other fender liner is cooked, then I'm going to replace it, but I don't think so. Plus I think I'm gonna have to touch the side skirt right here, so that's going to be annoying if I have to undo these bolts, which I think I am going to have to. So yeah, let's get to it, I guess, guys. Let me unbolt this whole thing. I'll be right back. Okay, get our supplies out. Okay, now we need to take this whole thing apart. We need to take off the side marker and any clips that are holding onto the fender liner. That has to go. Oh yeah, okay, this part broke completely. I bought another one because this one's already like flimsy. So yeah, that needed to be changed out. Swap that out. Okay, so some days have passed. As you can see, it's all back together. Put it all back. There is minimal bumper sag, which is good. You don't want to have bumper sag in these cars. We have one issue. Since you might see that I have no side marker right there, the wiring for the side marker ripped off while I was driving, and I thought I had it secure. Apparently not. So we lost our side marker lights, but it's all good. I have a pigtail coming in, and we will connect that as soon as we get the part in. And I had to run somewhere, and I forgot to glue the Toyota logo, her emblem, on here. So we are emblem. Okay, as you can see, we have an issue right now. Can you tell? One DRL seems to be working, the other one isn't. And the more I looked into my wiring, everything, I guess when the bumper came off or got removed, these wires or these windings must have come loose, desoldered themselves, and this wire I was able to trace all the way down there. It was connected to this, the turn signal harness, which is where this bulb is at. I'm going to have to probably cover this with some duct tape or electrical tape. But these two wires serve a purpose. I think this gives voltage and a ground for the headlight, and this gives a daytime running light. So as soon as we just plug this into this green, which I think this is a DRL wire connecting to the old DRL for the car, there you go. We get our light back basically. So I was starting to worry. I thought it was going to be a LED board issue, or I needed to get, you know, a new LED, but no. Pop the fuse. I don't know if you could, like zooms in, but yeah, I popped this fuse and I traced it back to the interior. It was the tail light fuse. Swapped it out. It's a quick 10. The low profile fuses. If you ever run into this issue again, that's what it is. I had to take this thing apart, the windshield washer fluid thing, so I could inspect my wiring on this end, and everything's fine. So yeah, I managed to trace that being there. So I guess let's just tuck in all my old wires, put the ballast back where it goes, washer fluids back. Okay, let me get a connector for this and get this working once again. Also, this is a side marker light that I was talking to you guys about. This thing is cooked. I'll show you. Yeah, these are the side marker lights. Like, they should have a pigtail to connect. And obviously the pigtail is gone, so gonna have to work on that. And I'm waiting on the pigtail actually. Once that gets in, I'll just, you know, connect in the slide markers in and be good as new. It'll be like this side, you know, this side's looking great. So I don't know, I'm not too worried about that. It's just a side marker, but I'm going to insulate that so no more fuses, you know, trip on me. And yeah, let me just get this wiring. Okay, nothing some duct tape can't fix. Just cover that turn signal bulb, because obviously we have an 86 bumper, not a FRS bumper, so you know, got rid of this. Just keep it tucked down there. And yeah, that should be it in terms of lighting. Let's take a quick look. I think it should be fine from here on out now. Perfect. Now for the part that I wanted to get to, guys. We need to put the emblem on. Here's the part number if you guys ever need it, but I highly doubt you will need a, you know, Toyota logo, just unless, you know, you're doing a bumper swap. If you're doing it, this is the part number for you guys. Focus, camera, hello, buddy. There we go. Yeah, this is the part number, and let's just install it. My car's kind of dirty because I've obviously driven it, so we're going to be hitting it with a towel and some speed shine real quick, you know, just to get the impurities off real quick, and then we'll apply the emblem. Simple as that. I mean, this is easy. Like, doing these symbols or these emblems are pretty easy. Just have to place them where the guide marks are, take off the double-sided tape, and that should be it. That's it. Just insert it. And there we go. Starting to look a bit more familiar now, you know, which is good. I was trying to get bummed out. My car wasn't looking how it used to look, but no, it's, you know, it's looking good now. So now, okay, now we're back to normal. It looks good. Everything fires back up. What more could we ask for? Except for obviously a lip, but I'm going to be waiting on that. So yeah, But yeah, with that being said, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, today we replaced the bumper, fixed some electrical issues, added an emblem. Not a bad day. So that's where we've been. Still waiting on the side marker, but other than that, you know, there's a couple more things we need. We have lost, but we could once again rebuild. So yeah, I mean, the side marker, we have the side marker in the assembly. We just need to fix the wire that's looping around there. We need the pigtail for that, a new lip, obviously. I think I might go with the TRD lip again. I don't want to get another rep or something stupid. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.